In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom in Asana. While Asana doesn't include its own zoom button, you can easily control how large or small everything appears by using your browser's built-in zoom shortcuts. This is especially handy when you want to see more of a timeline at once, or when you need to enlarge numbers and labels in a spreadsheet-style view to make them easier to read. Here's how it works. To zoom in and make everything in Asana larger, press Command and the plus key if you're on a Mac, or Control and the plus key if you're on Windows. Hold the Command or Control key and tap the plus key a few times until the text, columns, and buttons feel comfortable to read. You'll notice task names become larger, columns may take up more space, and timelines and calendars will show bigger labels and dates, which can reduce eye strain and help you focus on details. To zoom out and fit more on your screen, press Command and the minus key on a Mac or Control and the minus key on Windows. Each press steps you down a level so you can see more tasks, more columns, or a broader stretch of your project timeline at once. This is great when you're reviewing dependencies, comparing multiple sections, or scanning across a busy board. Just remember that as you zoom out, text gets smaller, so find the balance that still lets you read comfortably. If you've adjusted the zoom a few times and want to go straight back to normal, use the reset shortcut. Press Command and 0 on a Mac or Control and 0 on Windows. That instantly returns your view to 100% the browser's default zoom level, so you're back to a familiar baseline without guessing. A few helpful notes as you use these shortcuts. They change the zoom level of the page itself, not just Asana components, and they work in all the major browsers, including Chrome, Safari, Firefox, and Edge. Most browsers remember your zoom level for a site, so if you prefer Asana at, say, 110%, that setting may stick the next time you open it. If you don't see a change, make sure the Asana tab is active before you press the keys. That's all there is to it. Zoom in with Command plus or Control plus, zoom out with Command minus or Control minus, and reset to 100% with Command 0 or Control 0. Use these simple shortcuts to tailor your view so Asana matches the way you work and the details you need to see.